This book is intended as a celebration of the artistic and cultural heritage attributes of the Addolorata Cemetery, which is the magnum opus of the architect Emanuele Luigi Galizia. A number of contributors, scholars and researchers have collaborated to produce this volume by giving appraisals not only about the historical development of the cemetery, but also about the artistic qualities of the various funerary monuments, sculptures, chapels that are at the Addolorata. We hope that we've managed to portray this cemetery as an open-air museum of the best of the arts in the mid to the late 19th century.